too. No, can't do it that way.
Oh.
Please.
You pretended, didn't you?
Yeah.
For a minute there, I thought you really thought.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It was beat. It was beat.
Oh, it's so cutie.
And he pushes it back up.
That's good exercise too.
Uh-huh.
That's so cute. How much did you pay for it? Was it a good price?
Yeah. I think 30.
Oh, that's good. Whoa!
Here it goes. Where are you getting them? Let me see. Is it the smelly part? Yeah, I don't know about that, baby. It's like a perfume oil. It's gonna get on your hands and stuff. It's not meant for that.
There he comes. Whoa! That's pretty, that marble, whatever that is.